South Africa will reimpose strict COVID restrictions as the country faces a third wave of COVID. President Cyril Ramaphosa warned that the country's two most populous cities, Johannesburg and Pretoria, are already battling the third wave of infections.
The restrictions are necessary to ensure that health facilities are not overwhelmed and that lives that could be saved are not lost. Delaying the spread of the virus is especially important now to allow as many people as possible to be vaccinated before the third wave reaches its peak.
New restrictions will include a night curfew, which will start from 11 p.m. Non-essential shops, bars, restaurants, and gyms will have to shut at 10 p.m. Gatherings, including political and faith events, will be limited to 250 people outdoors and 100 people indoors. Ramaphosa also said that the vaccination drive will have to be ramped up before the third wave reaches its peak. So far, only 1% of South Africa's population has been vaccinated. The South African president has blamed what he calls, quote-unquote, vaccine apartheid as the reason behind the slow inoculation drive. He accused rich countries of buying up most of the vaccine doses. With over 56,000 deaths, the country is the worst hit in the continent of Africa.
The hours of curfew will start at 11 p.m. and end at 4 a.m. Restaurants, bars, and gyms will be needed to close by 10 p.m. All gatherings will be limited to a maximum of 100 people indoors and 250 people outdoors. President has reiterated that wearing a mask is compulsory in public area and failure to do so will lead to criminal offense. As a continent, Africa's vaccine rollout has been slow, and as such, President has said that they are pushing ahead with efforts to expand vaccine manufacturing capacity with a view to be self-sufficient vaccine production. He also said they are continuing with the efforts to urge all countries to support a waiver of the intellectual property rights of COVID-19 vaccine at the World Trade Organization. This is Kalden Ongmo from Johannesburg, South Africa for WION World is One.